Have you ever tried adding coconut milk to your spaghetti? If you try it, you are going to love the flavor. It is so nice, so flavorful, so delicious. And I think it's even beating coconut fried rice, in my opinion. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Anyam, and today I'm making coconut spaghetti. I'll just be adding coconut milk to your regular spaghetti, and the flavor is something else. The taste is amazing and so delicious. I hope you're going to enjoy this one. Let me know if you'll be trying out the recipe. All right, enjoy. Guys, this spaghetti is a hit. Seriously, the flavor is so nice. It's so beautiful. You will love it. So I just sprinkled some spring onions on it to give it some garnishing. And then, in fact, I don't know how to explain this. You have to try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. And if you're new in my channel, you're so very welcome. Just let me know where you're watching me from. Don't forget to like the video if you like it, and then subscribe to my channel and become a part of the family. Thank you all so much for your support, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very, very much. I am so grateful.